Hello dear friends, welcome to today's fluid mechanics class. So in last class we had started our discussion on impact of jet. So jet forcefully impact on a plate with high kinetic energy and applied force on the ball or plate. So that force is our purpose to find out so that we could calculate the work done per second, that is power applied by the jet on the plate. So as I had concluded in last class that how we have to find out the power supplied by jet on the plate. We know that, as I had discussed in previous class, power is force into velocity into cos of angle between force and velocity. So if we write this equation like this, F cos theta into V means for finding out power we need multiplication of velocity and component of force in direction of velocity. And if we write this equation like this, F into V cos theta, meaning is same. This means that power supplied is equal to power of anything, any object is force on that object into velocity component in direction of force. So means if we take force in its original direction, then we need component of velocity in direction of force. And if we take velocity in its original direction, then for finding out power we need component of force in direction of velocity. So the basic formula for power is Fv cos theta. So in turbine and impact of jet, it is convenient to find out the force in direction of velocity of the blade. So generally we find out force in direction of velocity and multiply that force to the velocity. As I had written here, this page I had also discussed in last class. Power is equal to, suppose we find out power of a blade, and blade is moving in x direction, so ux into fx. So that this is some particular case we had taken. So our final conclusion for the power was power is equal to force was mass strike rate into v1x minus v2x and into ux. So if we want to find out power supplied by jet on a blade, then along the velocity of the blade or ball we need value of force. Suppose the blade is moving in, van is moving in x direction, when jet is applied force on the blade, then we need force in x direction. So multiplying these two things we will get the power supplied. And force in any direction, in last classes we had find out, that is mass strike into initial velocity in the direction of force, in which direction we need force, minus final velocity in the direction of force, and it is the ux, velocity of blade. So this complete equation gives us the power. So I had written this in word: mass strike rate into initial velocity of jet in direction of ball velocity minus final velocity of jet in direction of ball velocity into velocity of ball or plate. So this equation is very helpful us for the finding out the power. So